Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the mercy of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal English School, Morning Shift, Bonasri, Dhaka. Today, I would like to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class 4. Our today's topic is Chapter 1, page number 3 to 5, discussion. Term half yearly, today's lecture number 2. Okay, dear students, we have already started our class, but we don't give any HW. In the next week, on the next week, we will give HW, and you have to do your HW and submit your HW on every Saturday, and collect your HW copy next Saturday. Likewise, you have to do your HW. Okay. Dear students, now come to the board and listen to this lecture. Allah, the Lord, Allahu Malikun. Its Arabic is Allahu Malikun. The meaning of Allahu Malikun is Allah, the Lord. The meaning of Malik is the Lord. The most merciful Allah, the great, created us. He created the earth for our dwelling house. What a big and beautiful earth is this. This is. What a big and beautiful earth this is. In it there are mountain, hill, canals, marshlands, river canals, animals, birds, living creatures, trees, plants, and flowers, crops. Allah is the Lord of all of this. On the surface of the earth, there are innumerable small and big creatures. There are also many things under the earth. There are oil, gas, coal, iron, gold, diamond, and so on. The Almighty Allah is also the Lord of them. There is a big sky on our head. In the sky, there are the moon, the sun, the stars, the planets. There are also planets, satellites, the Milky Ways, and nebulas. Every star is bigger than the earth in lakhs. The great Allah is also the Lord of them. Allah says in the Holy Quran, وَلِلَّهِ مُلْكُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَمَا بَيْنَهُمَا. Surah Al-Ma'idah, verse number 17. Meaning of this verse: to Allah belongs all that is in the heaven and the earth. Allah is the Lord of our wealth and property. He is also the Lord of our joy and sorrow. There is no partner in this or lordship. Allah is the Lord of all wealth and property of the world. He is the Lord of our joy and sorrow. He is also the Lord of our life and death. We should do good work for the pleasure of Almighty Allah. Okay, dear students, today's lecture about the Allahu Malikun. Allah is the Lord of everything. We know that Allah is the creator of everything on the earth. Allah has created 18,000 creatures for the earth. And only 2 creatures Allah has created for His worship, such as human being and jinn. Allah the Almighty said in the Holy Quran, وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ. Verily, we have created the mankind and jinn only for ibadat of me, only for worship of me. Surah Zariyat, verse number 56. Okay, dear students, Allah the Almighty created a lot of creatures on the earth for human beings and jinns, and order to human beings and jinns, Allah the Almighty worship of Him. So Allah the Almighty created a lot of creatures such as nebulas, skies, rivers, milk, everything for us. So as a Muslim, as a human being, as a created being of Almighty Allah, we have to do worship of Him, and we have to pleasure of Almighty Allah. Then we can succeed in our hereafter life. We will able to go to the heaven in our hereafter life. So as a Muslim we have to do worship of Almighty Allah and all time try to pleasure of Almighty Allah. Then we will succeed in our hereafter life. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood this topic clearly. Keep practicing at home. Avoid by parents. Stay well. See you again very soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.